Welcome to another episode and video on my driving riding robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller with embedded Linux programmed in Python with sonar, touch sensors, and it should be equipped with a camera, which I momentarily forgot, so I have to go and get it. And so it's mounted now. It also has a propeller, which functionality is only to indicate when the complete algorithm has completely stopped, and a lamp to signal when there is something to happen in the way of sensing something with the touch sensors and then making a move left or right. And it has now also voltage sensing capabilities, so a lot is possible. Last time I was confronted by a not so nice fact that I have added quite a bit of conditional algorithm that it stops whenever there is an image taken. However, it turned out that between driving and the first image taken, there's already quite a distance covered. So I need to pay attention to that. What I also need to do is, since the intention is to use the red color parts of the objects on the right, I have to use some red detection. Right now the algorithm only has gray separation, so I need to do some editing in that, and that means also a change into the HSV color space. BGR is not sufficient. And with all that introduction, let's just first see if there is something up to do. Yes, there is. So removing text images, then removing text gray images, and removing a gray image, and that is about it. And then I start the algorithm to see whatever it is doing. Camera is connected. And then I would be happy if it would actually do something, because on screen there's a lot happening, but a driving robot is much nicer. Yeah, and okay, it's supposed to make some sound, which is this in doing. It is sending messages, images. I'm fine with that. It says the battery is 8.8 volts. I'm okay. And then one image is 0, and that's the reason that it finally stops. So why that image is 0 is beyond me for now, but I think it's about the distance, although that shouldn't matter. Anyway, what I have to do is add another stop for the image, for the first image, and changing the OpenCV algorithm into HSV. So let's do that. Alright, and like I said before, last time I found out that this, now I have to be careful what to say, this part is important because I have to stop the motor and start the motor again. So let's go to stop the motor. Which I have to do somewhere. Yeah, I have to do that from Sonar stuff because here things happen the same way. So these three, 1, 2, 3, I have to copy. And even more because all these things, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines going up. And this is the place. Oh, no, that is wrong. I have to do it here. Although the other way can be done as well, but let's keep it this way. And this is 0. So I make this, instead of this, I make this completely 0. This is alright. Camera action 0. And oops. Okay, just, and this is the stopping action. So now I have to restart the motors, and I have to do that right from here. No, that's not correct. This is the first Sonar. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think that is best. No, I have to set speed as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lines from here. And let's see how that ends up. From here, let's do it like this. Yeah, seems okay. Counter 0. Then here, no. And then here counter 0 as well. And we have covered stopping and starting of the motors right at the end. So now it doesn't cover 15 centimeters or 45 centimeters anymore. This is what should happen in the first place. And then it goes to stuff that it had to do. Yeah. So let's put the motor, the robot again in position and see what it does. That will be quite informative. Alright, at 1604 centimeter, no, at 50 centimeters. Let's run. See whatever happens now. Should be very different. Uh-oh. I don't like that. Let's go again. Really? Alright, let's now see whatever happens here. So it creates a name, a file name, TXT file name, which it does in here and nowhere else. And 00 is only here. It doesn't even start to drive, to write. So right now it doesn't even reach the code I have added. It just stops, which makes me think, what is the voltage? It doesn't even get to reading the voltage. So let's go again. I don't like this. Why? Alright, now let's hope. Yeah, okay, there's a good image. That is going to change soon. Now it works, kind of. No, 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 no. It is a 0.0 action. That is the latest I did. But it's 0. At 0 point it's 0. While it should be something like 75k. Or more like this. Whatever it may be. Quite a lot of zeros. Not good. So what is this one showing? Sixteen, 7, okay. Yeah, well, this is indeed the first image shown. Which is logical because it has a 0, but at least this 0 image is not 0. Alright, not funny, but so be it. Then it is time to add the color space, HSV. Alright, so I have added the HSV part, which is this part, in which I changed the color space from BGR to HSV, UE, saturation and value. And if you look on the internet you will find a lot of information about it. Then I have to define a lower red value and the upper red value, and that is exactly what it says in the color spectrum. There is lower red and upper red, and red starts at 10 and ends at starts at 0 and ends at 10, and the other values have the other colors have of course other values. Then you have to create a mask, result for bitwise end, and bitwise that is 1 or 0, and bitwise end with 2 1s is 0 1. That's bitwise end. Anyway, that is going to happen here, and then I create a file name for the TXT result. I write it to disk and I call SCP command to copy it. So when I am now going to run it, I should here be getting a file or an image that shows everything black except red. So let's do it, and it has a distance of 50 centimeters, give or take. Let's go. If it does something, do anyway. Nope, that's a display flash. Yep. Okay, let's see whatever happens now. Oh, it says connection to TXT aborted. Okay, never mind. Go. Yes, it does something. Does it drive? And once again, at 0 it stops, while it is not a 0 image. Oh, in range is not defined. Really? Oh wait, CV2 in range, of course. Yeah. CV2, that is. Alright. No, not alright. This has to be CV2. Now I can do it. Typos. Oh, come on. Come on, do it. I don't care, it is not 0, and there my first red image goes. Now there is some propeller action. Will it actually drive? It takes a slight detour but it doesn't drive. It takes images. That is correct. It should. Oh wow. It stays at 0. And around 0 it doesn't drive. What did I do? Okay, stop. What did I do? Okay, let's first see. 47. Okay, that is. Ugh. 26, 8. Yeah, I can see red here. I can see red there. Anything else? 21. Yes, I can see red clearly. Next is 26. No, 26. 48. What can I do about this? I'm not quite sure. But what I'm also not sure of is this. S underscore A0. Let's find that. S underscore A0. Only here. So recap, it stops the motor. Or more appropriately, it stops the right side motor, not the left side. Wait, hold on. And here it starts, okay. Yeah. And then I want it to stop the left side motor as well. But I have not the idea that that is the whole problem, or the problem anyway. Why does it work? Why doesn't it work here while it works elsewhere? This is very strange. Here it takes the image here, and like here it goes into camera action twice. While not mounting is finished, etc, etc. It's preconditional. And then if, that shouldn't matter. Okay, let's do it again. Again, error in camera thread. Stop. Go. Yeah. Action please. And once again a zero image. It looks like I have gone from bad to worse. But why? I noticed one little mistake. Here is twice after another, and that's because this is one camera action printed and this is another. So I am going to take one out, which will be this one. That's confusing. So now I know that camera action 0 being printed is right here, not this one. Let's go. Oh boy, no, I don't like this. Not in a bit. Yeah, please, please. Right, that's a red action. Gray action. But please do drive. See, it goes straight into the thing, and it ends with an empty image. Set distance. Alright, then I needed to do something else as well, because I want to be very certain that it actually comes beyond this. So I am adding print yeah, set distance set, but hold on, I've done it here as well, set distance set, because I've set it here as well. So let me put it this way then. Set distance after camera 0. And then here, oh wait, no, here is already distance CA0. That's the sonar distance. But here I print it. So I better put here another print. Print set speed after camera 0. Then I know it actually does do it if it prints it. Go. What does it do? Not what I want anyway. Slightly better. But as long as it doesn't move, come from its place, I want to read set distance after camera 0. Camera action 0. And it doesn't do it. Yeah, here it says it. Yes. That. And then again, camera action 0. Why? Here again, camera action 0. This gives a lot of the same pictures as these pictures, and it doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Okay, stop, because it is not going to drive. And I'm at the end of this episode in time. Yeah, so what did I do? measuring voltage, which is correct, 8,4, and that is actually the nominal voltage of the battery, but it doesn't matter, it still works. I added this code only to find out it doesn't go any further in the code for some reason, and next time I will try to find out why. HSV, U is saturation value, color space. That at least works, considering black and white here, but color, I see actual red, and that is good. What next? So, a quick word for goodbye. The robot hasn't moved where I put it at 50 centimeters. I changed the code and that's it. Why? I don't know. I will try to find out next time, like I said. Images are better in some way, but that's all I can tell. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you like. Much appreciated. You can also follow me on Instagram. If so, retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on, what did I say, Twitter. Retweet, like and leave a comment. Instagram, like and leave a comment. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned either on my website or on my website as well as with the video, depending on the pledge you make. More information on my website. And this is going to be continued, of course. Present situation, from bad to worse, but things happen. Once again, thanks for watching.